Welcome to a journey through timeless romance and architectural beauty. I'm about to visit some of the world's most breathtaking castles, where love, royalty, and dreams have mingled across centuries. Imagine a place where the air is filled with whispers of magic and ancient power. From towering cliffs to hidden valleys, these castles hold enchantments and mysteries woven into their very stones. Join me as I unlock the spellbinding beauty of the world's most famous castles. Let's step into a world of fairy tales and wonder. These castles aren't just architectural marvels, they are windows to the past, filled with romantic tales, military conquests, and cultural fusions. Each one has survived centuries of conflict, weather, and change, earning its place in history and enchanting the world to this day. Whether through mysterious legends, architectural innovations, or historical events, these castles remain awe-inspiring reminders of human creativity and endurance. Ever wondered which castles are the most famous in the world? Here are some quick facts about famous castles. Fact number 1, Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria, Germany is the most famous castle known for its fairy tale appearance. It inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Disney. Fact number 2, Aleppo Citadel, the oldest castle in Syria dating back over 3,000 years. However, Windsor Castle in England is the oldest continuously occupied castle, in use for nearly 1,000 years. Fact number 3, Bran Castle in Romania is often associated with Bram Stoker's Dracula, though there is no solid evidence that Vlad the Impaler, the inspiration for Dracula, lived there. Fact number 4, Edinburgh Castle is built on an extinct volcanic rock. It houses the Stone of Destiny and Scotland's crown jewels, and has been the site of numerous historical events, including the Wars of Scottish Independence. Fact number 5, Prague Castle in the Czech Republic holds the title, covering 70,000 square meters. It includes cathedrals, royal residences, and beautiful gardens. Fact number 6, Himeji Castle in Japan, nicknamed White Heron Castle for its elegant white appearance, symbolizes beauty and strength in Japanese architecture. Fact number 7, Windsor Castle in England, British royal family used to live and serves as one of the official residences of the British monarchy. It was also where Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's wedding took place. Fact number 8, Mont Saint-Michel becomes completely surrounded by water during high tide, creating the illusion of a floating fortress. Located on a tidal island in France. Fact number 9, Château de Chambord in France is famous for its Renaissance style, with over 400 rooms and a double helix staircase, allegedly designed by Leonardo da Vinci. Alhambra, Spain, a masterpiece of Islamic art and architecture. Fact number 10, Croix de Chevaliers in Syria, symbol of medieval military architecture, is one of the best preserved Crusader castles and served as a significant fortress during the Crusades. What makes a castle truly unforgettable? Today, I'm counting down the world's most iconic castles and discovering what makes each one so remarkable. Number 1, Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. This place, it's like a dream etched in stone. As if someone plucked a castle from a storybook and gave it life among the clouds. Inspired by King Ludwig II's whimsical vision, Neuschwanstein is often called the inspiration for Disney's Cinderella Castle. Do you know the wonder of this castle? Do you really? Let me tell you. It is known as the fairy tale castle. It looks straight out of a dream, with its towering spires and scenic location in the Bavarian Alps. Number 2. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. From these walls, we've seen the rise and fall of kings, the clash of steel, and the stillness of victory. No stone here is untouched by history's hand. A medieval fortress on Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle is steeped in stories of sieges, Scottish royalty, and bloody battles. Wonder about this castle is, it has witnessed some of Scotland's most significant events, including the Wars of Scottish Independence. Number 3. Château de Chambord, France. It is not merely a castle, it is the dance of geometry and imagination. Every spiral stair and vaulted arch sings of a king's dream that defies reason. This Renaissance masterpiece reflects King Francis I's passion for grandeur and symmetry. Wonder about this castle is, a Renaissance marvel with 440 rooms, 282 fireplaces, and a unique double helix staircase said to be designed by Leonardo da Vinci. Number 4. Himeji Castle, Japan. This white heron does not fight, it waits. It does not roar, it endures. Those who storm its walls only find the beauty of patience in defeat. Himeji Castle, known as the White Heron Castle, is admired for its elegant structure and defensive prowess. Number 5. Alhambra, Spain. Each tile whispers of paradise, each arch frames the sky like a prayer. Here, time becomes a song carried by fountains and fading light. A stunning example of Moorish architecture, the Alhambra embodies the cultural brilliance of the Nasrid dynasty. Number 6. Windsor Castle, England. To stand within these halls is to touch the thread of centuries, woven by kings, queens, and whispered decisions that shaped an empire. Windsor Castle is the longest occupied castle in Europe, still serving as a residence for the British monarchy. Number 7. Bran Castle, Romania. They say the wind carries whispers of the Count's footsteps, wandering still. At night, the shadows of these halls know secrets that history dares not tell. Bran Castle is often associated with the legend of Dracula, adding an eerie charm to this Transylvanian fortress. Number 8. Prague Castle, Czech Republic. This is not just a castle, it is a story told through centuries, a labyrinth of beliefs, politics, and the quiet persistence of faith. Prague Castle is a grand complex that reflects Czech history, including Gothic cathedrals, palaces, and treasures. Number 9. Mont Saint-Michel, France. The tides bow to it, the winds circle it, and heaven seems just a step away from its spires. This is a place where the world becomes sacred. Mont Saint-Michel stands on a tidal island and has served as both an abbey and a fort, blending nature with spiritual grandeur. Number 10. Croc de Chevaliers, Syria. These walls were built not just with stone but with vows sworn under moonlit skies. We defended them with steel in our hands and faith in our hearts. Croc de Chevaliers is one of the best preserved Crusader castles, standing as a testament to medieval warfare and knightly valor. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey through the world's most iconic castles. Did I miss your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.